Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to fix Roblox security threat detected. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're getting the notification that says security threat detected in Roblox, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, we all know that there are some tutorials out there to root your phone. So in this case, maybe you're trying to install a game or some cheats or whatever you're trying to do here. So you may be trying to root your phone. Now, typically, if your phone is rooted and you try playing Roblox that way, well, in this case, Roblox would actually detect that. So meaning if you're playing on a rooted phone, you'll have to unroot your phone. So it's a whole big process here. So there are a lot of tutorials out there that helps you assist you with unrooting your phone. So basically that's the whole reason why you're having this problem. So unroot your phone and this notification would actually get removed or will no longer appear. And also another thing that you may want to know here is certain apps that is currently installed in your mobile device, especially for Android devices. Well, this will, or if you have those apps installed, this will prevent Roblox from functioning properly. So one of those apps that you may want to avoid using is going to be Magisk. So if you do have that installed, you want to go and just go to your settings and just basically go to apps. Now, this is especially helpful, or especially for Android devices. So usually this happens on our Android devices. So you want to go and just open up apps, and you want to go and just look for Magisk, and basically you want to go ahead and just click on it and just click on the uninstall button. Once it's done that, restart your phone and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so currently that is the only way for you to fix this problem, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.